Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to share with you some tips and tricks you need to know about Telegram. So Telegram is actually one of the best messaging apps which has a lot of cool features that is really going to blow off your mind. So with this one, it's a new update that is being introduced. A lot of people don't know about it or don't know how to use it. So I have in my right hand an iPhone 8 Plus and in my left hand a Google Pixel 3 XL for the Android users too. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, don't forget to like the video, share it to anyone you think that's going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So this is going to be a side-by-side video because some of the settings are different from both devices. So in case maybe there's a need to just chip in something like that, I'll just let you guys know when I pick up the phone. So the first thing I want to share with you is called trending stickers. So this is both on the Android and then iOS. You're going to find them at the same place. When you go to your sticker right here and then you tap on it, you're going to see we have trending stickers right here. So these are the stickers that are fire right now, and when you scroll through like this, you can just see them. And in case maybe you want to just check them out, you can tap on it like this and it's going to show you a preview with the highlights of it. It's actually going to highlight the sticker that you tapped. So I tapped on this one, it's going to highlight it for me. In case you want to just add it, you tap on this section and then it's going to be added. And maybe if you feel like you want to tap on another one, you can scroll through to just tap on it and it's going to highlight that particular one for like 5 seconds, and afterwards the highlighted portion is just going to disappear. So if you like it, you just tap on the section and then you just add it. The same applies to the Android device right here. The next thing I want to share with you too is the sticker suggestion. So in case maybe you want to send someone an emoji, you go on your keyboard and then you change to an emoji, and probably maybe you just want to send a laughing or any emoji you want to share to someone. You tap on the emoji like this, it's going to give you a sticker suggestion that simply means the same as the emoji you tapped right here. So in case maybe you want to send a funny or something that shows like you're laughing and crying out loud, it's just going to give you an emoji that looks similar like whatever you want to share right here. In case I just change it and I tap on another emoji, it's going to give me still suggestion stickers that shows the face I'm trying to post right here. So this is one of the coolest thing too I found in the new Telegram app right here. The next thing which I'm going to share with you is on the Android and then iOS, but the steps to just find them out is different. So I'm going to show you on the iPhone and also show you on the iOS. So this is called chat theme. So in case you want to just change the theme of your chat right here, which was a bit limited some time ago, all you need to do is you just have to tap on the name of your contact like this, and then you tap on this section more, and then you tap on change color right here. So when you tap on change color, you're entitled to pick any theme you feel like you want to pick right here, and that is basically very cool. So in case I tap on this one right here and tap on apply theme, he's actually also going to get a notification that I have changed the chat theme right here, and that is very great right here. But the person wouldn't see it unless maybe they update to the newer version of Telegram. And on the Android device too, this is how it's done. You go to this side right here, the person's chat, and you tap on this 3 dots right here, and then you're going to see change color right here. You tap on change color and then you're going to see the theme right here, and then you tap on it and then you apply right away. So that differs from whatever is on the iPhone. So the next and the final thing I want to share with you is interactive emojis. When you actually send an emoji to someone, you can now interact with the emoji, and that is basically very cool. So in case I share this emoji right here to someone and the emoji stays like this, I can just tap on the emoji and then show an animation of whatever I sent to the person. So you can see it's static now. I tap on it like this and it's just gonna show me whatever I sent to the person. Let me say I sent something like this to the person. You can see right here, this is something that has a lot of actions in it, and I tap on it again, it's just gonna show an action right here. So this is very interactive. The person is also going to see it and also going to be able to interact with whatever emoji you send to them. So I think that is very laudable and very cool. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it to anyone, and in case I find new updates on any new app, I'm just going to share with you guys. And state in the comments if you have anything on your mind or any app you feel like you want me to review to. Just state in the comments and I'm going to do that for you. And you can check out this video right here. It's actually going to help you and know more tips and tricks about Telegram. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.